Hey lads, TechScanning here. So it looks like the remaining days of 2022 are going to be very busy for the smartphones, as many brands like Motorola, Xiaomi, Oppo and Honor are gearing up to launch their next smartphones. And here comes the Vivo to the party, setting up to launch its X90 lineup. The good thing, we don't have to wait for the launch event as we already got almost everything about the devices. So without further ado, let's start. The Vivo X90 lineup is expected to include Vivo X90, X90 Pro and the Vivo X90 Pro Plus. In one of my earlier videos, I have already covered the design and mind-blowing camera samples taken from the Vivo X90 Pro Plus. And now we got a leaked promo video of the Vivo X90 Pro Plus, which is confirming the design shown in the early renders. And most importantly, the promo video also revealed the launch date as the 22nd of November at 7 PM. While all the teasers of the promo video focused on the back design, but thanks to the IC Universe who shared the front look of the Vivo X90 Pro and the X90 Pro Plus, showing both Pro models will have the punch hole style curved display while different processing chipsets. The highest model Vivo X90 Pro Plus will be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is launched yesterday, while the X90 Pro and the vanilla model X90 will use the Dimensity 9200 chipset, which is also launched earlier this month. And luckily we already got the benchmark scores of the both Pro handsets, showing some impressive numbers. The Vivo X90 Pro Plus is said to have a 144Hz 6.78 inches AMOLED LTPO display. However, the most shining part of the X90 Pro Plus will be its beast 1-inch main camera sensor that has the ability to compete against the iPhones and Galaxies. The X90 Pro Plus will hold a quad camera setup, including the periscope telephoto, and according to a well-reputed tipster IC Universe, it will offer a huge 100x zoom. Yes, just like the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, now Vivo's next flagship will offer you amazing zoom capabilities, which will be given most likely with all the three models. The quad camera setup will include the 50MP main, 48MP ultra-wide, 50MP telephoto and a 64MP periscope sensor. Vivo has already shared some of the jaw-dropping photos shot on the Vivo X90 Pro Plus, showing what it is capable of. As for the colors, the Vivo X90 Pro Plus model is likely to come in red, black and blue color. The red variant will feature a leather back which absolutely look premium, whereas the other two colors will have the gloss back with the matte finish. For the RAM and storage, the Vivo X90 Pro and the Pro Plus will debut with the different configurations. The Vivo X90 Pro Plus is likely to offer a 4700 mAh of battery with 80W wired and 50W wireless fast charging support. And keeping in mind the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is 40% power efficient than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, we can expect a good battery backup out of the X90 Pro Plus. So mark your calendar, the new camera king will be here in less than a week. Keeping in mind the Vivo X80 series, the X90 lineup is bound to be outstanding smartphones. Let me know what you think about it, and that's it for today. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.